This is the second lesson. We're looking at the building form by examining the facade and what we can learn from maps of the building. We looked at a Sanborn map, which, as I explained, told us that the building was 65 feet in height. Let's look at that map again and see what else it's telling us. It's telling us that along Harrison Avenue we have 65 feet. It changes when we get here. It's 75 feet. It's 10 feet taller there and then continues to be identical in height over here. So if we go to Google Earth, right, look up at the building. I don't know how they manage this. It's cool. I wish we could have an orthographic view of this. So we have 65 feet over here. If we were to double click up here, right, you see where that 10 feet is around the back. So if I go, how do I get up in the air? We want to get that 3D view. Let's see. There's a way to... Okay, I think I've figured this out. If I zoom out, brings me to the this sort of isometric almost view. So I can now examine the building. So that's exactly what the Sanborn map is telling me. 65 feet height over here. Here's the tower for that elevator that's diamond shaped with respect to Harrison Avenue. This is 75 feet. That's 65 feet. There's plenty in this building of interest. These are going to be very similar, but they're not part of the scope of what I'm studying. I'm more interested in what's going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flights, and that at the ground level it appears to share to split at the basement, almost like a duplex. If you go into the gaslight, you'll see that. So you can tilt around, rotate the 3D view here, and you can see, yep, there's my 75 feet, there's my 65 feet. Look the other way. Right. So you'll notice also on the Sanborn map, none of this Boston Sports Club edition was there before, because that was something that was added afterwards, after the building was built. So all of this development is new. I want to keep these short. So what do we have on the roof? If this is of interest, there's a chimney, there's a hen house, which means there's a stairwell that leads to an exit. That's the way out of the building, and this is the elevator tower. Seems to be some glass addition here. We'll pause.